So this is going to be just a quick test on how this thing performs as the widescreen situation. There she goes again, same as yesterday. I don't know if the sun here does any glare or flare, but I guess we find out. I'm gonna go up a little more. Okay, so the FeiyuTech Gimbal GoPro Hero10. I don't know where my camera is. And then the Skyreat. So the Skyreat was this anamorphic lens for the GoPros. Look at that, I have a dark hair in there. Man. Anamorphic lens, right? So we can take the regular GoPro lens off and then put the anamorphic on, and there's a fingerprint on it. Nice. Okay, so the thing is this, what I want to figure out quick is, will this work on the gimbal? Because this anamorphic thing should be cool on the gimbal. And what we would do then, we would set the camera to 5K 24 frames, 5K 24 anamorphic, so we can spread this out even more. The question is, how heavy is this for the gimbal? And now, you know, I got this gimbal. This gimbal was for Hero8. You know, and this particular one. So the Hero10 doesn't fit on it. Now, I modified it myself, and this is not a modification I recommend for people to do by themselves. It was a little ugly, to be honest. Am I too close? Am I? Sorry, if I'm too close. So we want to check if the gimbal, oh, I have to release the gimbal first, like this, and then oh, there it is. It's on. Camera on. So, and yeah, it looks like it can handle the weight. So for this particular gimbal, I have to say, I got a new bracket here. This is a little, the bracket. Let me get a pointer. Do we have a good pointer here? Man. So many things I don't have. Here, a pointer. Okay. So I had to cut out a little bit here to get this thing on here. And then I had to cut the edge off. There is an edge all the way around it. I had to cut a lot of stuff off. You can see the scratches here. So that went through a lot. I'm telling you. I don't know if I can. I cannot say. Can you see this here? Yeah. So here I had to cut stuff off. And I cannot really say that that is good how it worked out. When you look at underneath here, I don't know if you can see that, how bent it is. So how it bends over in this direction. So this piece here should be further up in that direction. It's not, but for the gimbal thing, it's fine. It's like in my case here, it's fine. If I do 24 frames, 5.3K, I don't know. I have to calculate how many pixels I can go in with. And that's what I'm going to do quick. And then I attach that anamorphic widescreen video. I attach it to this video. That we see how that looks like. And this would be like super wide though, 5.3K, and then widen this up a lot. We'll see how that goes.